Are you in it? Are you going to be in it?
Yeah.
Well, I got a new apprentice today helping me. First video back for a while. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, he's going to help me today. He's going to film. We got to go and fit a Wi-Fi booster. Let's go. Come with me. Here's the stuff. There we go. So that's going to get mounted outside. Unifi, booster, bit of cable, fix it to the wall, and that's going to give him Wi-Fi outside. Let's go. Here he comes. Right, there's this Starlink we put up. We got to mount this up here so it can give him Wi-Fi out here and over there with them two seats there. So we just got to literally drill a hole through, get this into a socket, which is, this is a PoE power to it, and then link it to the Starlink signal. Right, Elliot, what's this called?
How am I meant to know?
What's this called? What is it?
A drill?
Right, what noise does it make? Go on then. Clean the lens off, clean the lens off. Right, we've just got to drill a hole now near this socket. There's the Starlink. Drill a hole. Plug the PoE booster in here. Because these ones, oh, actually, to be fair, we probably could plug straight into the Starlink. I don't think they need the PoE booster. We'll try it with both. We'll plug straight in, straight out the wall, and then put it up on the wall outside and see what signal we can get, because I've got this Wi-Fi connection already.
I can't. Are you filming or photo?
I'm filming you. Right, back outside we go. Let's see where that hole's come out, yeah? Has it come through?
Huh?
Has it come through?
No, I don't see it.
Where is it?
That is so small.
There it is. There it is.
What?
Look. So we're going to back drill because that won't fit up that pilot hole. So we've got to open it out with a bigger drill bit now and then get the cable in.
It's so sad.
I am. Right. Hole has been made larger. Where is it? How can I see that? Where is it? There. Hole's been made large enough. We will make this good as best we can. Come on, get rid of that. Cable's now going to come out up behind here, follow the Starlink, and we'll mount that up there. Go, it's on. It's a natural video. I'd rather not put it up.
Oh.
I'd rather not edit stuff. So look, there's the end of the cable. I'm going to hopefully get this in one, yeah? Voila.
It went through.
Yep. Well, obviously it comes with a long lead. I'm going to leave some slack there. I'm going to get the client to get a faceplate to mount that. Rather than just having a hole, we'll mount the faceplate the other side. We're going to pull it up here now with the Starlink, work it back, and then we'll keep the slack down here, cable tight around the back, so it looks nice and neat. So I'm not paying Elliot today, but we're going to strike a deal, aren't we?
Yes.
What's the deal?
I get 25% of the video.
So if the video makes 20 quid, Elliot will get a fiver. So the more thumbs up you give it, and the more comments you put down below,
Please, just spam. Just absolutely spam.
the more money Elliot will get.
Please.
And he can buy a better football shirt then, can't you?
This is way better.
Right, there's our little loop for inside. We're going to get some splodge now, fill the hole. That's clipped around there. And clipped up there. Goes up with the Starlink cables, and he's mounted up there. I'm just waiting for my Unifi app to update. I can see it, but I can't connect to it yet because I've got to update it. But you can see a little light on now. I don't know if you can see that, look. So that's ready to go. Plug the PoE switch in and plug the Starlink straight into it. And we're just going to update now. And it's just loading the car up, ready to go.
Aye.
So smash the thumbs up, give him a comment, and he'll get some more money out of me. Right, there we go, all done. Camera's over here, Elliot, if you want to look at the camera. So if you want Elliot to be able to pay his bills, give him a thumbs up and a comment. He'll make a little bit more money out of me. That one's all done. Quite easy to do. Give the device a name once you've got it on the app. And I've set it to the same password as the Starlink indoors, so it's self-explanatory. As soon as you go out there, bang, full signal. On the chairs, full signal. Happy? Hot? Yes. Let's go. Take care. Need a drink. Take care. Bye-bye. You want to say bye?
No, I don't want to say bye.
Bye. No.